squishing.
Squish.
Squish. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got this twat here. He just put a bogey on me and it was gross.
It landed on her hand.
It was horrible. We're doing his makeup. Put a hairband on you. Nearly didn't fit over your nose.
I think you should all write in the comments that I haven't got a big nose. It fits my face.
It does fit your face.
What the fuck is that?
Just a gluten stick. The primer. We're doing, I don't know what makeup we're doing. We're just going to do makeup on Josh. I've been wanting to do this video since I started. And he's come around today and he's freshly shaved. So we're doing it.
Reversed it 2 days ago I shaved. Oh, make me close my fucking eyes.
That's what you did to me. You remember? Vividly? Oh, I might have to cover up your scar.
Who did that?
Me.
Threw a knife at me when we were little.
Yep. Just full on tossed a knife at him. I don't know if this is going to be okay.
Why?
The colour. Because you're a little bit more tanned than I am.
I am, yes. Mm.
That's what Nana said, wasn't it?
I have much nicer
we'll
skin
okay.
than you.
We'll be okay. Right, yeah, we're going to use this, but I'm going to do a different...
You know, it already feels horrible on my face. How do women do
What are
it?
you doing?
Just deal with it to be... wear makeup, basically.
Amy looks lovely without makeup.
She looks beautiful without makeup. They're all playing a game in the background.
Oh, look at me!
You're like a princess.
I can't see the camera because my glasses.
Wow. You might be able to record a winner thing if you got the height.
Do you want to be like full drag race?
I don't give a fuck.
We're going to try and do full drag race.
I feel like there's something in my eye.
Look at me. There's literally nothing near your eye. Look.
Right, me, can you update now?
There's nothing near your eye.
Yay! Do you girls want to have a go?
My eyes are that bad that when I sit on my bed at home and look in the mirror, which is on the other side of the room, it looks like when I haven't got my glasses on, it looks like I don't have a mouth. I can't see my mouth.
Amazing.
Mushy
Right,
blur.
look at me.
You just want to watch, do you?
Right, try not to do this with your forehead.
That's my resting face pose, that is.
You look cool. Right, we are going to make you the right skin tone, don't worry. Close your eye.
What the fuck? This is horrible.
It's concealer.
This is horrible. It feels like I can't open my eyes.
Don't open your eyes. Doing it. Right.
I have to look miserable.
Yeah, look miserable. Wait, it's my brush. This will do.
My
Right.
eyes sting.
Well, there's nothing in your eyes.
That wasn't fun.
We're going to contour you.
Stuff
We're
on
going to
me.
make you look snatched.
You're getting this done a lot quicker than I did you, isn't you?
Because I've done it lots of times. Right, look at me. Face me.
No, I'm a fish man.
Mimi, not tiny.
I thought you were going to do me like Trixie Mattel.
I'm just going to do... We'll do this first. We're going to do this makeup first. And then next time we'll try and do full on
Kimchi
drag
or-
makeup or something. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to do kimchi because
Trixie then.
that's like some crazy skills. And I've not got those crazy skills.
I could fucking do it. What are you doing to my chin?
You're just going to get loads of people come for you now and say, you could not ever do kimchi's makeup.
I did piss easy.
Look at me. We're going to try and slim down your nose.
Providing I followed a tutorial. What do you mean slim it down? You're going to make it look even longer than it is.
Ah, you fucking cunt.
That's what you get.
Right, look at me. Face me.
Should we give him an apple?
Right.
Like this.
Face me.
Then you do
Super
it.
non-creasy.
You stand in the middle.
Look up to the sky.
Look over here.
What's
On
this?
your special
We're baking.
spot here.
The white shit.
That's it. Right, now pick. That's it.
You've seen them all do this on Drag Race, haven't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you got an orange in
They use a lot of powder on dry face. So you're creasing your forehead quite a lot.
Well, I was trying to stop my eyes from stinging.
Your hand.
Oh my fucking hell, it hurts.
Stretch it out. That's it. Oh,
Don't crease your forehead.
I'm sorry, but you're hurting my eyeballs.
oh. Try again.
Newfound respect for women. What the fuck? Oh, fucking. Why are you baking my whole
I'm not
face?
baking your whole face, I'm just setting your whole face. Look at you, I'm only baking under your eyes. Okay?
Yummy.
Oh, my eyes sting so much. What the fuck have you done to me?
He's fine, don't worry. Nobody worry about him. He's fine. These are my jeans. Right, now let's do some eyebrows. Right. Fucking hell.
Okay, bro.
I hear you eating all my Doritos, Bender and Amy.
No.
Fuckers.
An apple. No. The apple's over this side.
These are like this is like the darkest eyebrow stuff I've got. This is what I'm using at the moment.
Look, reach out with your arm. You stay there. And you reach all the way over here. That's it.
Try and give you like an arch.
An arch.
Nearly. I think
Yeah.
your arms are too little. I'll help you. There you go.
Yay!
That's it. Then you offer it to him. Perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, it's a good brow so far.
I've got naturally good brows
Look.
anyway.
No else.
What the fuck?
That was an amazing response. What do you think?
Well, it's fucking caterpillar, isn't it?
That's just your eyebrow. I've just darkened it.
Is it?
Yeah, I haven't made it any bigger. That is just your eyebrow.
Ah, I've got some strong brows.
You have.
And press your one now.
Oh, I did the forehead wrinkle again.
Doesn't matter.
It's
'cause I've
naturally
I've set it
wrinkly
now.
anyway,
It's fine.
look.
I've set it now. You need to use some anti-aging shit. Look at me so I can get them to match. Yeah, see this one I haven't gone as
No.
far
Do
underneath.
you want me to come and help?
You don't want to use anti-aging stuff.
No, I will age naturally and look beautiful.
With speed.
Okay,
Or
that's
demolition
good.
drop, derby.
That's a lovely way to look at it.
Yeah.
It's going to be a silver fox one day.
Yeah,
You run over.
If I ever get grey hairs. Oh.
you will. I've got loads.
Do you want to help? You press that one.
How old are you now?
You press that
31.
I got my first one when I was like 29. That just scared the crap out of me. Hello? So Mum, if she rings again, just answer it to the camera.
Yeah.
Super happy with them brows.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna clean them up a bit and make them super sharp. There's my big brush. Right. Look at me and close your eyes.
What are you doing to my eyes?
Doing eyeshadow.
What look are you doing?
Don't know yet. I'm just gonna see what happens. Just see what happens because
Do
I'm.
you love how much more prepared I was when I done hers? I was like, yeah, we're doing this look.
You were literally doing this for your eyelids.
So,
Go like this, Joe. Perfect. I might just do like a signature me look, what I do on myself.
gross. Is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm rubbish at eyeshadow on other people and on myself, just so everybody is aware of that fact. Before anybody expects this to be good.
I clearly have natural ability then.
I'm rubbish at other people especially.
Well, try.
I am trying, I'm just not very good at it. I do exactly the same as what I do on myself and it just goes like a shit on a stick with an egg on it. Did you like that? Go like this. Perfect.
I'd have liked it if you'd have quoted me.
How would I quote you?
Gopping dog shit.
Oh, gopping dog shit, piece of wank.
Yeah.
Do this.
I was!
You weren't. You go like this, Joe. Look at me. You go like this. You go.
Stop.
I do that.
Get out and then where is it?
Yeah?
Perfect. Just stay like that.
Oh, that's cold and wet.
Yep.
Thanks for the warning.
You're welcome. Ben? Amy, just tell Ben to put the oven on for me, please.
Yeah.
Put the oven on, please.
What the fuck are you putting on my eyes?
Glue.
Why?
Because I'm doing glue. Keep your eyes shut. You mustn't open them now.
Why you put glue on my eyes?
Because that's what we're going with today.
I don't want fucking glue on my eyes.
It's glitter glue. It's fine.
I don't want glitter on me.
It's not glitter.
You just said glitter glue.
Yeah, it's what it's called. It's pigment. Keep your eyes
This is really
closed.
horrible, Lou. What the fuck are you doing to me?
Putting pigment on your eyes.
Giant bag of shitty dicks.
Thanks. Love you.
How do women have eye stuff on? I mean, this hurts. Stings. My eyes sting.
You're fine. Right. I'm going to let you put the mascara on.
Nah.
Yeah?
Nah, bro.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Right.
I trusted you. What are you putting lashes on me?
I've got to put lashes on after mascara. Don't snot, because this is where I'm going to blind you. And
Do I have
don't...
my eye closed or open?
That's perfect like that.
I've got mascara on now.
Yeah.
What's that? What did you just put on?
Yeah. Right.
What's the one that I failed at on one of them?
The eyeliner. I'm not doing that.
You're not?
Nope.
Is that because you're scared of it?
Yep. And you look pretty at the moment.
She's afraid to test herself.
Angle on my belly.
Let's see you.
Okay.
Right, close your eye.
I'll sit next to me.
Yeah.
I want to sit.
Right, open your eye.
Is that literally what this feels like? That is absolute fucking shocking. Is it cloth?
A little bit.
Whee! Well done.
It's because they look like these are cut for my eyes. Just stop thinking.
You fucking stabbed me in the eye.
I thought anybody could touch my eye. You just said it. Right.
I meant it.
We'll leave that one like that for a minute. And then we'll put some more mascara on to join it up to your other ones.
Well, thank you, Mika.
How do you feel?
That's not on properly.
It's because you won't... Look. Just stay like that for a minute. Can you go and put the ham in the oven, please?
Yeah, right. Dog.
This has just brought it all together. It's amazing.
I just put it straight in the other tray.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Olivia.
Nice little
Okay.
Hang on, no. What are you doing to your
Fuck us off.
Okay, I'm doing
Setting spray.
In the first.
Which went over my entire
You're doing
body.
good though,
Yeah, it's
aren't
fine. It smells nice, doesn't it?
you? Can you rub it next?
With the lime and the
Can you open
coconut.
it?
You're welcome.
And then
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Shake it out.
try for yogurt.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god. It looks fucking horrendous.
It looks really good. Look how nice you look.
Oh, much craving.
Close your eyes like this.
I got
Hey,
mango
close
as
them
well
properly.
now.
Look
Quite
how
healthy,
pretty
aren't
you
they?
look.
Well, pot pie.
You ready to have everybody come and see how lovely you look?
I'm excited to see this. Let's have a look. Oh my word, babe. Oh my word.
How do I look, Mika?
Does Annie yours look pretty?
Oh, baby, got lipstick on your teeth.
I imagine I would.
You got fake eyelashes on and everything, babe.
It's horrendous. I dislike this.
You committed. Eyeshadow,
Yeah,
babe.
quite a little bit of yellow.
Is it off my teeth now?
Yeah, it's off your teeth. Look at me, babe.
Your eyelashes are coming off again.
Really?
Let me see.
Thank you, babe.
Like the bob as well. Suits it.
Hey, look, yeah, Auntie Oldie's pretty.
Missed that.
Oh, I just gave Ben a big kiss, but it didn't come up on his lips because it's that
Babe, do you hear
gel.
what Mika said?
Past the kiss
How do you feel?
section.
Huh?
How do you feel?
Not great.
Are you glad that you did it?
Fabulous.
He literally came round this morning and said you can do my makeup today.
Because she's wanted to do it for ages.
I have been wanting to do it for like a
And
year,
I
so.
thought, I can't be bothered with a face mask, because that's what she wanted.
A face mask is a lot easier.
Jizz face, whatever's going on with
I had
it.
a cold sore.
Yeah.
So you feel good?
What's wrong
It
with
doesn't look bad, I'll
I
be
think I
honest.
did a good job. Considering I'm rubbish at makeup on other people, I think I did a good job.
I'd
Do you
make
feel like
it-
a drag queen?
No, I feel like a scary, creepy
You're a fishy
person.
queen right now, babe.
You're fishy.
I'm not fishy at all. I look like a
fishy?
man.
Yeah, if you're
Feminine.
shaved, you would
Fishy.
be really fishy.
He would, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
Right.
What's fishy?
So do you want to take your eyelashes off
Feminine
then?
looking queens, so
Okay.
queens that.
Told you it wouldn't hurt.
Ow!
Kings as well.
Right.
Yeah, they're like women who dress like a man.
We're going to go and
Some of you might know,
help Josh remove this. But if you like these kind of videos, give this one a thumbs up.
Champagne.
You should definitely subscribe to my channel. And Josh is starting his channel soon.
Oh, Lucy, you got snot on me.
He's just literally just flung bogies at me constantly.
Gotcha!
Fucking cunt.
You fucking asshole!
He gives me a gotcha!
Yeah, I wasn't expecting pinches in retaliation.
It's because you moved, so I couldn't give you a gotcha.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, we're done.
Ow.
Thanks!